Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to do an ATM basic functionality kind of code which we can do with the help of loops. We can use both while loop and for loop, and today I am going to show you how to use a while loop and do this functionalities at a time. Yeah, so here what are the conditions which we are going to do is we are going to allow only 3 successful operations, and the operations can be either a withdrawal of amount or deposit of amount or a balance check. That's it, friends. Then the fourth option we can keep as exit. If you want to exit at any particular time, you can just press 4 for exit. This is all about this particular code, friends. So let's start doing. So for these things to work, we can just try to define a variable for the balance so that it will be easy for us to work upon, because we still don't know how to connect database and how to do the user authentication things and all. So we are just going to have a variable called as balance. We can maybe initially make it as 1000 rupees for our balance, and yeah, we can start doing. So now we can have a count which is going to be equal to 0 basically, and we are going to do this whole process till the count reaches 3. While count is less than or equal to 3 only, we are going to do all these things. So once we start doing, the first question we will be asking the user is what operation they need to perform. So whether a withdrawal, deposit, balance check or exit. So we can ask the user maybe operation is equal to, I am going to ask in integer because it will be easy for me to check the condition. Input select one operation, and yeah, I'm going to have a new line and say press 1 to withdraw, and another new line, then press 2 to deposit, 3 to balance check, press 4 to exit. So I have written a very clear input statement over here. So the user will be pressing whatever he needs, and then coming to the next line. Once the user presses the option, according to the option we are going to do the performance. So just imagine if the user presses 1. 1 is for withdrawal. Withdrawal means we need to ask how much money they need to withdraw. That will be the first question. So withdraw is equal to int input, enter the amount. Oops. Amount to withdraw. So we have asked the amount to withdraw. Now just imagine we are having a balance of only 1000 rupees. So if the user enters an amount more than 1000, we cannot withdraw, right? At that time we should say the user, you cannot withdraw, sorry. So that should be done over here. So yeah, we are going to check again if W is greater than or greater than balance. Then what we are going to do? We are just going to print amount entered is greater than balance. Available balance, and I'm going to say try again. That's it. So this will happen if the withdrawal amount is greater than balance. So except this case, all the other case comes under else statement. Else what we are going to do? We are going to first change our balance amount. So balance is equal to balance minus withdrawal amount. And yeah, we have changed the balance amount, and then we need to print the user. Congratulations, you have withdrawn the amount. And yeah, and we can also specify the user what is the available balance. Yes, and we can show them the balance. That's it. So the main part comes after this. So on successful completion, we need to increase our count. So I am going to write here count is equal to count plus 1, so that we have increased the count on successful completion of this withdrawal. So I think withdrawal is very clear for you. And now coming to the next elif condition. So elif, what we are going to do, OP is equal to 2. 2 means we are going to deposit. So we are going to ask the user, like, enter the amount to deposit. Once we got the amount of deposition from the user, what we need to do? We need to just add that to our balance amount. Here we don't have a condition for checking, because we are just going to add. Even if the balance is 0, we can add the amount for deposition. So I am going to write balance is equal to balance plus deposit amount, and then I am going to increase the counter also over here. Count is equal to count plus 1, and we can also say the user that we have deposited the amount and this is the amount. So I don't think this congratulations message will be so apt here, so I just removed it. You have withdrawn the amount. That's enough, I guess. And yeah, you have withdrawn the amount. Superb. Now I will just try to add the print statements so that we can just show them the balance. And this, and I am going to show the balance. That's it. This works good, and we have also added the counter correctly over here, so it must be fine. So what is the next condition? Comes under elif OP equal to 3. 3 means we are going to just balance check. So I think just a print statement will be working fine here. Your balances, maybe the amount which we are going to show. And yeah, this is also a successful completion, right? So we are going to add a count over here. Count is equal to count plus 1. Good. And yeah, coming to the next condition, which is else. So else what we are going to do? Else we are going to just say, okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for using. That's it. And yeah, else means the option will be fourth option correct. On the fourth option, we should also specify that if the user pressed 4, we need to come out of the program because we are exiting. So if you want to come out of the program at any situation, you can use your break statement over here. So I am using my break statement so that I can come out of the program if the user is not going to press either 1, 2 or 3 option. That's it, friends. I think it is well and good to continue now. I'm going to just quickly run and see the program. Yeah, so it is asking me which one. So I will go with 1 first. So enter the amount to withdraw. First, I will go on with a positive flow, maybe 200 rupees. Yes, so now the balance amount is 800. Now again I'm going to press 1 and now it is asking me, so one successful transaction I have done. It is again asking me enter the amount, so maybe I'm going to give 900 now. Now amount entered is greater than the available balance, try again. So now it is asking for me again. Still now only one successful transaction I have done. So I am going to write press 2 here for deposit and I am going to deposit 500 rupees now. So it has shown me the balance amount is 1300 now. So it is the two successful I think. Now coming to the select one operation. Now I am going to balance check. And yeah, so your balance is 300. It is working perfect. So it is 3 successful operation now. And now again it is asking me, maybe I am going to deposit again. It is asking me for the amount. I am going to write some amount and press enter. So it automatically came out because it has completed 4 successful transactions, but we need only 3 successful transactions, right? So what can we do? Here, since the count starts from 0, 0 is the first one is the second one and 2 is the third one. So only it is working fine because less than or equal to 3 we have given. So in this case, we should not put the equal to sign because 0, 1 and 2 make the 3 successful transactions. Now it will be clear, I guess. Now again I am going to run this program and check for 3 successful transactions. So I am going to press 2 and give an amount. 1 successfully done. Then again going to press 2, give an amount. 2 successfully done. Again I am going to press 2 and give an amount. So now it should exit. Perfect. It is working fine. So again we can just try the flow of pressing 4 to exit now. Before that I'll just press 2 and enter an amount so that this is working fine. Now I want to exit, only deposit is my work, so my work is done. So now I am going to press 4 and click. Can you see? See you next time. Thank you for using, has come perfectly. That's it, friends. I think this code makes a really good sense for you of how to use a while loop in our program. That's it. Okay then. Bye bye, friends. This is Shravanti.